Today, the quadratic formula, the discriminant, and Vieta's formulas, the master key, the fortune teller, and the cheat code. By the end, no quadratic on Earth can hide from ya. Saddle up. First, the master key, the quadratic formula. Memorize this, partner, 'cause it solves every quadratic. Even the nasty ones factoring and completing the square choke on. Here she is. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Whatever quadratic you got, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. You just read off a, b, and c, plug them in, and turn the crank. That's it. If you can't shove three little numbers into a formula, partner, sell the calculator and buy yourself a clue. Now that chunk under the square root, b squared minus 4ac, that's got its own name, the discriminant. And it's a fortune teller. Compute it first before you solve a thing, and it tells you how many answers you even got. Positive? 2 real roots. The parabola crosses the floor twice. 0? Exactly 1 root. It just kisses the floor and bounces. Negative? No real roots. The parabola floats up high and never touches down. One little number tells you the whole story before you lift a finger. And the cheat code, Vieta's Formulas. Without solving a damn thing, you can know 2 facts about the roots. The sum of the roots is negative b over a. The product of the roots is c over a. That's it. And here's a secret. That's exactly why the factoring trick works. Find 2 numbers that add to b and multiply to c. Vieta's been riding with you the whole time. Use it to check your answers. If your roots don't add and multiply right, you botched it. And I'll know. Enough talk. Let's work. Quadratic formula, clean 1. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. A is 1, b is 5, c is 6. Under the root, 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times 1 times 6 is 24. That's 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So, x equals negative 5 plus or minus 1 over 2. That's negative 4 over 2, negative 2. Or negative 6 over 2, negative 3. Boom! Uglier. 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. A2, B3, C negative 2. Under the root, 9 minus 4 times 2 times negative 2. 9 plus 16, 25. Roots 5. X equals negative 3 plus or minus 5 over 4. That's 2 over 4, 1/2. Or negative 8 over 4, negative 2. Now an irrational one, where factoring flat out quits. X squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. A1, B negative 4, C 1. Under the root, 16 minus 4, 12. Square root of 12 is 2 root 3. X equals 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2, which simplifies to 2, plus or minus the square root of 3. Factoring couldn't dream of that. The formula did it half asleep. Discriminant check, 3 quick ones. X squared plus x minus 6. B squared minus 4ac. 1 plus 24, 25. Positive, 2 roots. X squared minus 6x plus 9. 36 minus 36, 0. 1 root. X squared plus 2x plus 5. 4 minus 20, negative 16. Negative. No real roots. Didn't solve a 1. Just read the future. Vieta's in action. X squared minus 7x plus 12. Sum of roots is negative b over a. That's 7. Product is c over a, 12. What 2 numbers add to 7 and multiply to 12? 3 and 4. There's your roots. No formula needed. Faster than you can spell discriminant. So there's your trio. The formula cracks any quadratic. The discriminant counts the roots before you start. Vieta's hands you the sum and product for free and checks your work. Master these and quadratics are officially yours. Your turn, hotshot. And I cranked up the difficulty, so don't embarrass yourself. Pose, pause, solve. Then I judge. 1. Use the formula. X squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0. X equals 2 or negative 5. Under the root. 9 plus 40, 49, root 7. Negative 3 plus or minus 7 over 2. 2. How many real roots does x squared plus 4x plus 4 have? Exactly 1. Discriminant. 16 minus 16, 0. It just kisses the axis at x equals negative 2. 3. How many real roots does x squared plus x plus 1 have? None. Discriminant. 1 minus 4, negative 3. No real answers, partner. If you said 2, go sit in the corner. 4. Vietas only. The roots of x squared minus 9x plus 20, what's their sum and product? Sum 9, product 20. So the roots are 4 and 5. Didn't solve a thing. 5. Getting nasty. Solve 2x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals 0. X equals 2 plus or minus the square root of 10, all over 2. Under the root. 16 plus 24, 40. That's 2 root 10 over 2a, which is 4. 6. The beast. Solve 3x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. X equals 2/3 or negative 1. Under the root. 1 plus 24, 25, root 5. Negative 1 plus or minus 5, all over 6. And Vieta checks it. 2/3 plus negative 1 is negative 1/3, which is negative b over a. Clean! Got the beast? Then maybe you got a future after all. Choked on it? Unemployed sucker energy, partner. Run it back. See ya down the trail.